If you're encountering the cloud save error 2025 in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and clear any temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the Riot client and navigate to the game settings. Use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your Valorant client is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the Riot client and install them to ensure compatibility with the servers. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Riot Games support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and get back to enjoying Valorant. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the community or support team.